Welcome back to On Trips and Adventures. Today we're in El Paso, Texas, checking out a coffee shop called Alma y Miel, a spot with the perfect 5-star rating on Google. And trust me, you'll see why. They've got everything: coffee, matcha, and their homemade café de olla. But here's the twist that had me sold. For one of their matcha flavors, they actually blend matcha with café de olla. And get this, they're already sitting at 8 matcha flavors, but the menu never stays still. It changes every month, so there's always something new added to the lineup. And the best part, they'll customize any drink exactly how you want it. Let's go check it out. So when you first pull up to where the Alma and Miel coffee shop is, you'll notice that there's reserved parking all over the wall facing the coffee shop. But if you go ahead and go to the opposite side, right across from the park, there's plenty of parking. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. They have a doggy spot. So that means that you can come and have your coffee and bring your dog. Let's see. Oh, and they have their own dogs, Frijol and Chuleta. Isn't that cute? So yeah, it says that it's not a dog park or a daycare, and that, the owners are fully responsible for their pets, but you can bring your doggy, make sure they are on a leash because they have to be on a leash at all times. But that is so cute. So you can come, get your coffee inside, sit outside, and have your coffee. All right, so let's go and check it out. I did decide to come here because they have an amazing menu of matcha and delicious coffee. And you know me, I'm matcha, Abraham's coffee. So let's check it out.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow, this is so amazing.
I do change my menu every month.
Every month,
So,
okay.
yeah.
And this is such a beautiful coffee shop.
Oh, thank
Look
you.
at this. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Look at the decor. Oh wow. You can sit here, take selfies. So it's beautiful. Just beautiful. Such a beautiful coffee shop.
You also support local. We have our vendors
I
here.
saw.
Yeah.
So these are local vendors that you allow them to put their merchandise and they can, sell. So that is amazing.
And everything's for free. I don't charge them to have a point of sale.
Oh wow. So wow, that's
So
amazing.
the only thing that we ask is for them to support each other. So I post them, they post me, and then they tell their people that they have their merch here. This month's menu, I usually go based on what we celebrate.
Yes.
And there's nothing to celebrate on this. So what I did is I got my top 3, and then since I opened, and then I got the number 4 of each month.
Oh,
So in October
okay.
was your shata, November was banana, and
White peppermint, Duvalin latte, Ferrero Rocher. Wow, un gansito. I saw that you have a nice menu of matchas.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I don't, there's a couple places where they have just like 3 matcha, like their specialty is coffee and
Yeah.
not matcha, and you focus a lot on matcha.
Yeah.
You have so many flavors.
It took me a couple months to get it right with my matcha, where I got a recipe.
Yes.
Yes. I turned 8 people so far into matcha girlies here.
So what are you gonna get?
Me, I'm thinking of
Those 3 up here are my best sellers.
the best sellers.
Yes, my
That must
café de
sound
olla,
fun.
we make it every day in the morning. If it finishes by 12. And then we'll remake it till the next day.
Clavo, anís. Wow.
I'm thinking about the mazapan one.
The mazapan one's really good too.
I'm gonna get the mazapan.
Mazapan? Do you want it hot, ice?
How do you usually make it like
I usually make it ice with regular milk or oats.
ice is fine.
Ice?
Mhm.
Do you want regular milk?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And then what size? I have the 16 ounce and the 24.
I'll try the 16.
For me, so I saw your café de olla and I love all the ingredients in there.
Yeah.
So I am gonna try your café de olla matcha.
Oh, that one's
I think this is the only place that sells café de olla matcha. Mix, mix, mix. Mix my matcha. Mix my matcha. So the café de olla is on the bottom, so that's why I'm mixing. And then I always like to sip the top first. Oh my God, I can taste the café de olla even in the top. Wow, I taste the notes of piloncillo, the clavo. Oh my God. This is amazing. And you can still taste the matcha,
Yeah.
but it's so smooth.
Yeah, it's just there.
Yes, it's perfect. Wow.
I feel like it tastes like an agua fresca for some reason.
Yes,
Yeah.
but with those hints of
Matcha and
café de
tradition.
olla,
Yes.
fall time. Oh gosh. Oh my God, I can just taste it. Now, I don't like to drink coffee because it gets me jittery. But I have to try it because my favorite Mexican candy is tamarindo and mazapan. Wow. So I'm gonna shake it. You can see the little pieces of mazapan all in the bottom here. They actually blend it in there, so wow.
Other YouTubers come through saying that they've been trying mazapan. And apparently, my mazapan, before you try it, you let me know, it's one of the best ones out there.
Wow.
I don't know. That's what they told me.
That's the feedback you're getting.
That's the feedback I'm getting, so I'm really excited.
Let's see. I try it from the
I feel like
top.
I need more people to try and let me know.
Oh, delicious. I did the top. You can definitely taste the mazapan. And then the bottom, you get those little pieces of mazapan. It's delicious. It's so good.
Let me try.
You gotta try it. You can taste it.
It's good. It tastes different from other matchas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
And it tastes like grass.
No, I don't like grass. That's why some
Who
people
likes
like,
to
I'm
drink
sorry.
grass?
I don't think that's a flavor.
Who likes to drink grass? Not me.
Or third.
But I do taste the matcha.
This is right up.
Your alley.
Mm-hmm.
And he loves mazapan. I think that's your favorite Mexican candy, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm tamarindo and mazapan. Pero you?
Yeah, as soon as you taste it, it's.
We do have the gym down the street, and then we do have a lot of police officers and firemen that come, and they request what protein. We can add protein to it. It's the peanut butter protein. Yeah.
Wow. Do you want that? You want to purchase the extra shot? Or you're
That's
good?
perfect how it is.
Okay, even better. We are gonna come back to your place. It's delicious, it's beautiful, you support local vendors.
Oh, yeah.
So that's amazing.
Oh,
Everything
thank
you've
you.
told us. I love that, you know, the police officers, they come, you can give them protein, their
Yeah.
peanut butter protein. So that's amazing. And you're the only place that has café de olla matcha.
As far as I know, yes.
You are
Here
in El Paso. You
and
are.
The other person that I know is the one I got my inspiration from. That I love her. I love what she does. She's in Las Vegas.
In Las Vegas.
Yes.
And I have to
Lola.
say, you also, I think you're the only place in El Paso that has all these like homemade matchas. Because I kept looking online
Yeah.
for a good matcha place that had a variety.
Yeah.
Because I'm tired of strawberry or blueberry matchas. That's
Or
it.
mango.
Or mango.
Yeah.
Yes. So when I saw your menu, I was like, I have to go. I have to go.
And we're already working the last week of the month,
Mm-hmm.
of each month, we start working on the next menu. So
Oh.
we're already working on pumpkin matcha. Last year we did horchata matcha, but in the agua fresca. And it was a hit, it was really good. And then we did our agua fresca de mazapan, and it was really good too.
Wow.
Yeah, but people keep asking for coffee. Obviously, it's a coffee shop. So we're like, no, we just stay with the
the
mazapan.
coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I'm trying to introduce mazapan with matcha, like
Oh,
make it-
that,
yeah.
So you're working on your recipe.
I'm working on the recipes already for September and October because it's pumpkin season. So
Yes.
yeah.
Well, I'm gonna come back because I gotta try your pumpkin matcha.
Yeah, no, yeah.
So in
definitely.
September, I'm gonna be here. We gotta try it. Well, I know I gotta try it, and I know you are gonna try it too.
I'll try it, yeah.
And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.